Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to show you the animations regarding the ionic bonding. So the first of the compound is sodium chloride. Sodium belongs to group 1, so it has one valence electron, while chlorine belongs to group 7, so it has 7 valence electrons. So sodium is supposed to give away one of its electron to get a stable configuration, while chlorine is supposed to accept that one electron to gain that stability. So because of it, the charges will appear. On sodium, there will be plus one charge, while there will be minus one charge on chloride. Now the next one is magnesium chloride. As magnesium belongs to group 2, so it has to give away two of its electron. And chlorine belongs to group 7, so it needs one electron to gain stability. So two of the chlorines will be used by one magnesium, and there will be an ionic compound of magnesium chloride, which is MgCl2. So magnesium will give away two of its electron, one to each chlorine atom. Now it will be minus one charge on chloride and plus two charge on magnesium ion. Next one is sodium oxide, as sodium belongs to group 1. So it has one valence electron, while oxygen belongs to group 6, so it has six valence electron. It needs two electron to gain stability. So sodium will give away one electron. Each sodium will give away one of its electron to sodium atom. So in this way, there will be minus two charge on oxygen ion, that is oxide, and plus one charge on each sodium ion. Next one is magnesium oxide. So they will combine in 1:1 ratio, as magnesium belongs to group 2. So it has two valence electron. It has to give away two of its electron. Oxygen belongs to group 6. It has six valence electron and needs two electron to gain stability. So magnesium will give away its two electron, valence electron to oxygen atom. So there will be plus two charge on magnesium ion and minus two charge on oxide ion. Now I'm going to show you the animations of the covalent molecule. So this one is hydrogen molecule, as hydrogen is a non-metal and it has only one valence electron. So each hydrogen atom needs one electron to gain stability. So one pair will be shared in between two hydrogen atoms, creating hydrogen molecule. So there will be a single bond in between hydrogen atom. Now the next one is oxygen. As oxygen belongs to group 6, so it has six valence electron. It needs two electrons to gain stability. So two pairs will be shared in between these two oxygen atoms, and there will be double bond in between these two. Now the next one is water. As hydrogen is having one valence electron, oxygen is having six electrons. So oxygen is supposed to share two electrons in a pair with hydrogen, while hydrogen needs only one electron, so one pair will be shared with each hydrogen. So creating single bond in between hydrogen and oxygen. Right? Oxygen is making two bonds and hydrogen is making one bond with oxygen. Now methane, it's a gas, it's a hydrocarbon. So carbon belongs to group 4, so it has four valence electrons, so it needs four electrons, or four pair will be shared to gain stability, and hydrogen needs only one pair of electron to be shared to gain stability. So there will be single bond in between carbon and hydrogen. So carbon is going to make four bonds with four hydrogen. Now the next one is carbon dioxide. Carbon needs four electrons, so four pair will be shared. Oxygen needs two electrons, so two pairs will be shared. So over here, carbon is going to make double bond with oxygen. So two pairs will be shared with one oxygen. So there will be double bond in between carbon and oxygen. So altogether, carbon is making four bonds while oxygen is making two bonds, or the double bond with carbon. Now this animation is about metallic bonding. So we can see as metals are regularly arranged and there is no spaces in between them. So their valence electrons are delocalized over the whole structure. They are good conductor of electricity. Their valence electron acts like a glue, or we can say that there are positive ions in a sea of electrons. So when we attach it with the battery, as more electrons are fed from the negative side of the battery, so the electrons as being negatively charged, so they will move to the positive terminal of the battery. This is how it conducts electricity. So this one is called metallic bonding. Here again we have electrostatic force of attraction, but in between the positive ions and the delocalized valence electrons.